Do you know 45% of people buy the wrong dash cam, or in many cases, after the purchase, they are not happy with the product? Why does it happen? Let me tell you, buying a product is a task of precision, as one wrong step can end you up buying a wrong product, and precisely speaking, no same product is suitable to all. Therefore, to tackle the product selection challenges, here I am going to compare and share a list of best dash cams. Let me tell you one thing, just don't judge me by my looks. I did serious research with my team before creating this product list, and the selection of products are based on the verified customer reviews. Brands. It is important to consider reputable brands before others. And finally, the price. Yes, it is important to select the best, but it is equally important to prices fit the dash cam that you are buying. To simplify the process, I took help from the artificial intelligence based algorithm, or you can say an AI powered system, which always helped me to pick the product from website and store, which provides more discount and costliness. Before watching this video, please listen this very important message. This is not a paid or sponsored review. Selection of products are based on the performance, features and user feedbacks, and I assure you that this video will help you to pick the best product. Thanks for your support. Hi, my name is AB, and today we are going to compare and review the best dash cams as I told you earlier. For your convenience, I have provided the product links below in the description, so you may check the product source which is offering the product at the lowest price. Please acknowledge the same and don't forget to thank our AI system. For this, you may subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if your fingers can tap the mouse or the screen. So what are you waiting for? Let's hop into it. And number 5, it is Rov dash cam. The Rov dash cam records video in 1080 pixel resolution and features night vision and WDR technology. Like most others, this cam has a G sensor and automatically starts recording if your car is hit even in parking lot. It also has a 170-degree wide viewing area, a small form factor and loop recording. Apart from this, let's talk about the key features of this dash cam. Like any other car dash cam, you don't need to delete the footage manually, as it comes with the loop recording function which can automatically overwrite old footages. It has emergency accident lock which saves or locks the current video whenever a shake or collision is detected, so it won't get overwritten. It includes 2 years replacement warranty. Yes, you heard it right, 2 years warranty for this budget-friendly device. Now, product number 4 is Rov R2 dual dash cam. Its key feature includes a 1080 pixel resolution front and a waterproof rear camera. The front camera records at 170-degree angle, while the rear camera records at the 130-degree angle. Features loop recording and emergency accident logs thanks to the built-in G sensor. This dash cam supports up to 32 GB SD card, and you need to buy it separately as company does not provide with the device. Let's talk about the pros. First, the front cam records at 170 degree and rear records at the 130 degree angle, which helps camera to eliminate the blind spots of vision. So if your budget is around $70, then you can go for it without any hesitation. It is Rov R2 4K dash cam. Yes, you heard it right. It is a 4K dash cam and records videos up to a 2160 pixel or 4K resolution. If I will talk about the key features of this device, then this cam has a lot to offer, such as it includes built-in Wi-Fi to allow users to easily view and manage dash cam recordings on their mobile devices via the Rov app. For this, you need to install an app on your smartphone device. The company offers many useful and important features like parking mode, motion detection, loop cycle recording, emergency video log, time lapse, slow motion and many more. You can keep the recording for long period of time, as this dash cam supports up to 512 GB SD card. Sorry to mention, but card is not included with the camera. You need to buy it separately. I am little disappointed and surprised to see the warranty period. In this cost, I will get only a 1-year warranty. Moreover, if you want a dash cam with built-in GPS, which accurately records driving location and speed and record videos in 4K, then this device is for you. Now let's see which product is at number 2, and at number 2 it is Kingslim D4 4K Dual Dashcam. This dashcam can simultaneously record videos in 4K from front cam and 1080 pixel from the rear camera. It features the industry-leading Sony sensor and high-silicon high 3559 processor with super night vision, f1.8 aperture and WDR technology. You can record stunning details even in the low light environment. With front 170-degree angle and rear 150-degree super wide viewing angles, and it gives you maximum coverage of the road and greatly enhances night vision, providing sharp and clear images and videos. While the Kingslim boasts many good features, it does have a few drawbacks. Like video recording at night, especially through the rear camera, is grainy. But as we can understand, the amount of light required at the back side during the night is always low and as compared to front side, so you have to adjust with it. Okay, let's see which is number 1 in my list. I have given the number 1 to Red Tiger Dashcam. The Red Tiger Dual Dashcam has basically all the features you could want out of the cam system like this at the great price. It can capture 4K video from its front and 1080 pixel video from the rear cam, both in daylight condition and at night. The system has built-in Wi-Fi, which is always a helpful feature since it allows you to easily connect with the cam to your phone to be able to save and edit videos right on your mobile device. Like many others, this camera system has 24-hour parking monitoring, collision detection and loop recording, all great features to look for. Furthermore, night vision recording is available thanks to the Sony StarVis sensor. And if we talk about the warranty, then boom. This device includes a lifetime warranty and 24-hour technical support. Okay, now see what are the downside of this number 1 device. What I found in this, Wi-Fi signal could be stronger. It works fine inside the vehicle, but if you stand outside, then sometimes it will not work. Apart from this, I found it the best choice if you really need a top-notch device for your safety and security. But price-wise, this device is on the higher side and can be bought somewhere under $150. If you have any further query related to these products, then you can comment me below in the comment section. I will try to answer you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.